Quantum thinking is basically a metaphor-based mindset. It uses ideas from quantum physics as mental models to help us think better in messy, complex situations. It's not saying your brain literally runs on quantum mechanics. It's saying these concepts are useful ways to handle uncertainty, complexity, and multiple truths, core ideas, and what they mean in everyday thinking. One superposition gives whole multiple possibilities at once instead of forcing an early conclusion. It's this or that. You practice staying in a state of could be several things. Example, a business problem might be pricing, positioning, trust, and timing. Not just one root cause. 2. Uncertainty gives trade certainty for better decisions. Quantum thinking accepts that some things can't be fully known upfront, so you use probability, experimentation, and learning loops. Replace what's the right answer with what's most likely. And what would change my mind? 3. Complementarity gives to opposing views can both be valid, like light behaving as both wave and particle. Many human issues need both, and thinking. Example, we need speed and we need quality. The skill is designing for both, not choosing one. For entanglement gives everything affects everything in real life. Problems aren't isolated. Relationships, incentives, culture, timing, and environment are linked. Example, performance issues might be tied to unclear goals. Leadership communication, or team safety, not effort alone. 5. Observer effect as a metaphor gives how you measure changes outcomes, the questions you ask, the metrics you track, and the attention you give something can change behavior. Example, tracking calls per day might reduce call quality. Tracking resolved outcomes changes focus. What quantum thinking helps with innovation? You explore multiple futures instead of committing too early. Problem solving. You test hypotheses instead of arguing opinions. Decision making. You think in odds, trade-offs, and scenarios. Conflict. You hold to perspectives without needing one winner. Leadership. You guide people through ambiguity without pretending certainty. How to practice it. Quick toolkit. A. Possibility mapping. 3 to 5 options minimum. When you think you've found the answer, force yourself to list 3 alternative explanations, 3 different solutions, 3 risks. You might be underestimating. Be probabilistic. Language swap certainty words for calibrated ones. I'm 70% confident because if X happens, my confidence drops. C. Run small experiments instead of debating. Ask, what's the fastest test that gives real feedback? D. Both, and reframes. Turn either or into design constraints. How might we increase speed without sacrificing quality? E. Systems check. Ask, what other parts of the system does this touch? What incentive does this create?